Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line up there comes into play. But that's not really applicable anymore. Sure, it pertains. It's just not relevant. So I'm just going to go ahead there and kind of keep the chart as clean as possible. If you were to say, Clay, look, summarize the price action for me quickly, I would say an absolute pump and dump. Now, I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense of this company is being run out of some shady basement in the swamps of Florida. I'm not saying that. I'm just making that statement based solely on how the price acted. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price is back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So where did all this start? Well, to me, it started when the price, had that gap up yesterday. And that gap up essentially started right here around the $2.85 mark, give or take. But, the price started to work its way and show some signs of life right there, and then the rest was history. The big gap up yesterday. So let's apply the definition here to what the current setup. Price makes a really nice move. Well, as we just established, it started there and went all the way up there. I think we can all agree that was a really, really nice move. Second part, within a relatively short amount of time. Well, considering this all has happened in only 2 days, I'm hoping we can all agree that, yeah, this all happened in a pretty short amount of time. The price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. Again, where did it all start? Right here. Where did the price close today? Down there. Not to insult your intelligence, but that is not only back to where it started, but it's way down below where it was even before anything really started. It's basically right back inside of all that channel. Not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power are going to progress forward. They're not going to go back to where they were. Case in point, let's say that the price had come down here and then bounced along this level right here and then started to head back up. What would you have if that would have happened? Well, you would have had a set of lows there, a set of lows there, a set of lows there. You look at these as stair steps, and hey, you still have nice methodical stair steps working in the upwards direction. But again, that did not happen. The price broke down through there, and now it's literally way down below where the original breakout even started. Now, don't get me wrong. Am I saying that the price can never, ever make a good move again? I'm not saying that at all. But another way to look at this is just saying back to the drawing board for the bulls. Because again, as far as the move from the 13th is concerned, yeah, that was totally fake. No true power behind it. But can they put together a new bullish move? Sure, they can always put something together. But as far as the move from Monday is concerned, yeah, if that was a truly powerful move, the price would not be sitting where it is right now. So we'll see if the bulls can put something new together or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.